Groovepad Music Beatmaker is a highly innovative Android application designed for music enthusiasts and aspiring producers to create, mix, and share their own musical compositions effortlessly. The app features a user-friendly interface that accommodates both beginners and experienced musicians, allowing them to experiment with various sounds and beats. With an extensive library of high-quality samples, loops, and sound packs across multiple genres such as hip-hop, electronic, and pop, users can easily create unique tracks by tapping on intuitive pads. The app often includes tools for adjusting tempo, adding effects, and customizing sounds, enabling users to refine their music. Groovepad also allows for real-time recording and playback, encouraging creativity and exploration. Users can share their creations with friends or on social media platforms, making it a community-oriented experience. Overall, Groovepad Music Beatmaker is an ideal app for anyone looking to unleash their musical creativity and produce tracks directly from their Android devices.